Alright, with this video, I'm going to show you how to create and publish hudl highlights and then how to copy and paste those and send them to me. So this is my home screen in hudl. Yours may look a little different because you're in a student account. You just click on video. And I'm going to go to the video from today's scrimmage. So this is our scrimmage from today. I'm just going to click straight into it. I'm going to get rid of these because I used them a minute ago. Start from scratch. So if you'll look at this side, I have clips and I have tags. Neither one of those are in there right now, but we'll start out with clips. We just go to the beginning of the game, and I'm just going to cut out 4 clips. So let's see. Let's see if Ryan gets this done. I'm going to make that a highlight for Daniel. So I clicked on the create clip, and then I click on the clip itself. And I want that header he made to be the highlight. So I'm going to have that header be kind of in the center of this clip. It pretty much is. I can grab these bars and move them, and it'll make the clip longer, and it'll make it shorter. It tells me here about how long my clip is. It's about 9 seconds. So I'm going to click Save Clip. So there's my first clip. So let me just move my cursor and I'll create another clip. Let's see. Look at there. What a great pass from Ryan. So we're going to go back and make that our clip. Right when he hits it, I hit create clip. Oops, made 2 of them. And get rid of 1 of them. So there's my clip for Ryan, and I'm just going to make it bigger. So I'm going to drag that to the left a little bit, and I'm going to drag that to the right a little bit. And I can hit play, and it'll play my clip. So this is a clip of Ryan switching to play with a nice firm pass straight into Drew's feet. Good clip. So I just hit save clip. Let's make another one. Let's get the other group. Let's go back to Jake winning this ball. So Jake's going to come in here. He's going to win the ball. The moment he wins it, I'm going to create that clip. So I'm going to drag that a little bit. This is a clip of Jake. He comes in, he wins the ball. Things are a little slow. He dribbles away, completes the pass. Save clip. Let's do one more. Is that Felipe putting it between Bo's legs? I think we can make that a highlight. Sorry, Bo. Have to take that up with Felipe. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. On both ends. Hit save clip. So I've got 4 clips. I'm going to select each one of those. And I'm going to hit send to highlights. Now yours, it's not going to pull this up, but for me, I can put it for your highlights or whoever. But I just picked the whole team. So those go there. So then I'll hit exit. What you're going to do in yours is you're going to click your name, and under here you're going to click, it'll say your highlights, and you'll click that. For me, it's a little different, so I'm going to click highlights. And this next page is the same for both of us. So this should be your highlights. If you didn't see that, click right there and then hit your highlights. I'm going to click create highlights. And now I'm going to make a highlight reel. So here is my highlight reel. The first thing I want to do is get my video in. I've got video and audio. So I go to video. I'm going to choose other highlights. see. I'm going to choose these first 4. The other 4 I created earlier. So I can choose those first 4 for my clips. Click Add 4 clips to my reel. And I want to choose some music. So I'm going to click that one and add that song to my reel. You don't have to add a song. I can click a title slide if I wanted to. So I can click a slide and add that slide. I can drag that slide to the very beginning, make it my title slide. I can edit it by clicking on that pencil and call it practice. And then 325. So that's my initial. I'll call that one practice. 325, and I will publish this thing. So I could share it on these platforms, or I could get the URL. This is what you want to do. So you want to get the URL, so it's going to copy the URL for you. You could click play your highlight. It might not play yet. Right, it's processing. But then you would go to your email, you would write a new message, and you would paste that URL in there. You could send your email to me. You've already got my email address. So that's the way you create highlights in hudl. Let's see if that's loaded yet. I don't imagine. It'll probably take it a few minutes to load, but that's what you're going to do. Let's see. It's already ready to go. So we got here some music. I took them and put them out of order, which I don't know why it does that, but sometimes it does that. So there's Jake's highlight. That's a highlight of Ian getting a shot. Ryan making a save. Here's one where Drew intercepted a pass. And this one is Philippe. So that's how you create a highlight video. Nice and easy.